How to check silent mode on iPhone. To get started, first of all you must first locate the silent switch. Flip this switch up. When you do this, you will see a brief on-screen notification that shows ring. Again, flip the switch down and now you will see on screen it shows silent. Now, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Look at the volume slider as shown. While this primarily controls media volume, if you see a bell icon with a slash through it, it confirms that your device is set to silent. You can easily check if your iPhone is in silent mode by using the physical ring a silent switch or by checking the control center. Following these steps, you can easily check silent mode on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.